Howdy, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and I wanted to give you the update on the bug. It's been lifted. I'm going to insert the lift kit here. And that was the kit I got from vwlifts.com. Had it sent to American Spring, and they installed it. Plus they put on my trailer hitch, and I got a new cargo trailer. Okay, here are the heroes. American Spring. These guys kick some butt. Just finished the V-dub. I talked to Gary, the mechanic who did the work. Got some insight from him, and now I'm dropping off the U-Haul van. But if you're in Flagstaff, you need a lift, alignment, fabrication, brakes, undercarriage, mechanical roll cage. These guys do everything with the underside of your vehicle. They're awesome. Hey, there's Gary the mechanic. So let's take a look at the bug. There she be in all her glory. So the front to me only looks like about an inch lift, even though it's supposed to be 2.5 inches. And the back definitely looks like it got the 2.5 to 3 inches. Let's take a closer look. So here we go. I'll tell you what though, the suspension is tight, and I mean, nice that I could take these forest roads now, and it's taking it like a piece of cake. It's got a nice skid pan underneath, really thick according to the mechanic, and there's the trailer hitch. So it's only, I think, a 1.5, and it's got that adapter to make it a 2-inch. So I could put the cargo trailer on. And you can see I got my Go Caddy portable waste tank strapped and locked on there. There's Ninja. And I'm extremely happy with the job the American Spring did. And they did a front end alignment. So thanks for watching. If you're in the Flagstaff area and need any kind of lift kit, alignment, shocks, wheels, go to American Spring. They did a fantastic job. Be positive, be nice, be active, and from Ninja and I, we bid you adieu.